Welcome to the ITM, the Interactive Technical Manual by CFC Industrial Training. The ITM is a cutting-edge training and technical reference tool, bringing machine-specific text, photographs, schematics, diagrams, and videos to life in an innovative, easy-to-use interface. Tasks such as training personnel, conducting maintenance, troubleshooting problems, and making repairs are augmented by use of this multifaceted program. Navigation bar. When the ITM is launched, the home screen is displayed. On the left side of the screen is the navigation bar. There are several icons used for navigating to different sections of the ITM. The home screen, Schematics, Mechanical assemblies, PhotoNav, Bill of materials, Troubleshooting, Documentation, and Multimedia. Clicking these icons will display the respective section at any time. The browser's back and forward buttons can also be utilized while navigating the ITM. Home. The home screen displays an overview image of the machine or equipment. Below the overview image are several buttons. These buttons may link to the manufacturer contact information, a tutorial video, and/or overview videos. Schematics. The Schematics section displays a listing of schematic prints in the ITM. Once a print is selected, an operating status print will be displayed. Different print pages and their respective operating statuses can be selected in the Drawings drop-down menu. Operating statuses are color-coded according to ISO standards. Optional animated operating statuses may also be selected, illustrating the flow of oil and changes in the circuit throughout select operating statuses. By utilizing a mouse's scroll wheel or a touchpad's zoom function, the prints can be enlarged to view details. Alternatively, they can be zoomed in and out via the zoom buttons in the upper right of the screen. Hotspots over schematic symbols indicate cataloged components. When a hotspot is selected, icons linking to the component's location on the BOM or the component sheet can be selected. Component sheets. Component sheets catalog a component's unique identifier, photo, description, part number, function, safety information, and related documentation. Component-specific videos are linked with information detailing function, setup, troubleshooting, and more. Part numbers can be linked directly to e-commerce sites in a new window for effective reordering of parts when an internet connection is available. Component sheets can be accessed via the BOM or hotspots in the schematic, mechanical assemblies, or PhotoNav sections. From the component sheet, return icons in the upper left box link back to the component's specific location in the BOM, schematics, mechanical assemblies, or PhotoNav sections. These various sections of the ITM can be used to triangulate the specific component information needed. Returning to the schematic section, certain hotspots with arrowheads indicate page jumps. They can be utilized to follow specific oil lines, wires, etc. to other print pages or additional documents. Hotspots can be toggled on and off via the button in the upper right of the screen to more clearly view the print. PhotoNav. The PhotoNav section displays a listing of establishing photos of the machine. Select an establishing photo based on the desired machine orientation or machine section. Like in the schematic section, hotspots indicate cataloged components. When a hotspot is selected, icons linking to the component's location on the BOM or the component sheet can be selected. Some hotspots on the PhotoNav link to another photograph, allowing for the effective navigation through photographs to reach the desired photo view and the component sheets linked therein. Bill of Materials. The Bill of Materials, or BOM section, displays a listing of BOMs for the machine. Select a BOM section based on the desired system of the machine. Once a BOM is selected, it displays in a spreadsheet format. The items listed in the BOM are generally ordered by unique identifier. The columns across the BOM are the unique identifier, or item number, which is used to identify the component on the machine, on the schematic print, and various locations on the ITM. The description, which lists the part nomenclature. The part number, which is linkable to an e-commerce site for effective part reordering with an internet connection. The manufacturer bulletin, which contains a PDF of pertinent documentation for the component. The primary schematic link, which links to the component's specific location in the schematic section. The alternate schematic link, which links the component to any secondary locations it may appear in the schematic section. The mechanical assemblies link, which links to the component's specific location in the mechanical assemblies section. The component sheet link, which links to the component's specific component sheet. The bill of material is also searchable. Any term or number typed in the search bar at the top of the BOM will highlight the text and narrow the BOM listing. Troubleshooting. The troubleshooting section displays a listing of troubleshooting materials. This section can contain a plethora of documents, flowcharts, and videos. Default sections include generic hydraulic flowcharts, which provide generic hydraulic troubleshooting steps, and generic interactive flowcharts, which are flowcharts with embedded videos providing more detailed hydraulic troubleshooting steps. Custom machine and component-specific troubleshooting videos can also be included, with step-by-step instructions from subject matter experts. Also, 3D troubleshooting animations can illustrate simulated component problems. Documentation. The documentation section displays a listing of applicable documentation, such as manuals, manufacturer bulletins, and/or certifications associated with the machine. Documents are listed in PDF format and are able to be downloaded or printed directly from the ITM. Multimedia. The Multimedia section displays a listing of all videos associated with the machine and used throughout the ITM. Here, individual videos are listed and organized by topic or machine system. Videos may be led by a subject matter expert, voice-overed, or recorded with subtitles. Videos may cover component location, function, and safety, component installation and setup, detailed circuit animations, 3D component cutaways and assemblies, component and system troubleshooting, and more. When a video is selected, it will immediately appear in a player. Clicking the lower right corner of the player will enlarge the video to full screen. To exit full screen mode, press the Escape key. Clicking on the video itself will pause and play the video. To close the video, click outside of the player. Help and Request Change. On the lower right side of the screen, a Help button and Request Change Update button are always displayed in the ITM. The Help button links to an email for assistance with the ITM. The Request Change Update button allows for direct correction or update requests to be made. Once the button is clicked, a small text box is displayed. Type the correction or update that is needed to the ITM and submit. Doing so will alert administrators to your request and to what page the request was made on.